Hi, Math 180. It's Mrs. Lee. We're going to start on credit 4 of Math 180 today. So if you open up your binder, go ahead and go to the credit 4 tab. You will notice that on the front page it says Block 3 Division. On the very bottom of the page in the middle, it says Math 180. Okay, 1A, track 1, credit 4. So we're on credit 4, guided learning. So all the videos are based off of the guided learning and not the practice section. Okay, so let's get started. I know that the first word is quotient, so let's go to the second word, which is division. We'll start with division and then we'll go back to quotient. Okay, so division. Here is the definition. The operation of creating equal parts from a number or creating equal groups in a set. Here, again, the operation of creating equal groups from a number or creating equal groups in a set. So if you'd like to, please pause this video. You can copy that and we can move on. Okay, here is the example. So notice down here, there are 3 different ways to write the division problem. Okay, this is one of the ways that we've learned in grade school. Okay, this problem is 24 divided by 6. And so when you are converting this into this over here, what you want to do is that whatever number is the first number, it's saying 24 is being divided. It's being cut into six equal parts. So here, the 24 should be on the inside of the division sign here. Okay, and that 6 is on the outside. Okay, it looks like a fraction. Okay, but it is also known as a division problem. Anytime you see this, it could be fraction or division. So here it's 24. Again, the first number goes on top, and then it's divided by 6. Okay, in this case, you can see the example. The answer is 4. Okay, if you're not sure, what you want to do is you want to draw out 6 boxes, okay, because we're dividing by 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you just keep making groups of 6 until you get a total of 24. Once you get that, then you can count how many groups you have. In this case, you have 4 groups. 4 groups of 6 is equal to 24. Okay, remember, division is the opposite of multiplication. Since we have an example and the definition, let's go ahead and go back to quotient. So quotient, the definition for that is the result of definition. So remember earlier we said 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Well, the answer, which is 4, is also known as the quotient. The result or the answer of the division is known as a quotient. So if you like, you can recopy the problem and circle 4. And then write quotient, just like this. Remember, you can pause the video anytime to copy the work down, okay? All right, the next one is inverse operation. Inverse operation. All right, here we go. Here is the definition of inverse operation: an operation that reverses the effect of another operation. Okay, here's the example. Addition and subtractions are inverse operation, meaning they're opposite, right? So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, the inverse of that is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, or 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, here, multiplication and division, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, the inverse of that is the division. So inverse opposite. Okay, so 12 divided by 4 is 3, or 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Either one would work. All right, that should be your first page. If you need to, you can go back, rewatch the definitions, rewrite them, copy them down. Now we're going to move on to the next one.